In the 1960s, the American inventor William P. Lear had the idea of modifying the FFA P-16 fighter aircraft to carry 4 to 6 passengers. This led to the creation of the Learjet 23, the first private jet in the world. Thus, in Germany, Blohm Voss, which had returned to its original post-war name, Hamburger Flugzeugbau, decided to enter this new market. To do so, it relied on the former chief designer from Junkers, Hans Vocker. Today we tell the unfortunate story of the last aircraft ever built by Blohm Voss, the HFB 320 Hansa Jet. To compete with the Americans, Wock and his team designed a jet that was just as fast, but more spacious and comfortable. For this reason, Wock returned to a solution in which he was highly experienced: the forward-swept wing. Mounted at the center of the fuselage, this configuration offered 2 main advantages: greater aerodynamic efficiency, allowing high speeds, and a longer and more spacious passenger cabin, free from the main spars, as the wing's load-bearing structure passed behind the passenger compartment. This provided comfort without compromising aerodynamics. The Hansa Jet was an all-metal monoplane with a cabin for 7 passengers, extendable to 12. The rear-mounted engines ensured a quiet cabin environment. Inside, it offered a lavatory, wardrobe, galley and luggage compartment. The chosen turbojet engines were 2 General Electric CJ610s, at the time the only small, reliable jet engines already in production. They were powerful, but also noisy and fuel-hungry. They provided a maximum speed of 900 kilometers per hour and a range of over 2,000 kilometers. Even so, the Hansa Jet required very long runways for takeoff, limiting its use at many small airports. This turned out to be a weakness compared with the Learjet. The first prototype flew on the 21st of April 1964, followed by a second a few months later. In 1965, during a test flight, a fatal accident killed the chief test pilot due to a deep stall of the T-tail. The project was subsequently updated with a stick shaker and stick pusher system, controlled by an analog digital computer, which warned the pilot and automatically intervened to prevent a stall, along with aerodynamic improvements. Despite its innovative design, the HFB 320 Hansa Jet never succeeded on the market. With as many as 9 serious accidents and production limited to only 47 examples, the project proved to be a commercial failure. By 1969, Blohm Voss had merged with other German companies to form Messerschmitt Bölkow Blohm, and production of the Hansa Jet continued under this new name until 1973. Thus ended the story of Blohm Voss, a company that throughout its entire existence had sought to distinguish itself in the aeronautical sector with bold and unconventional designs.